We will be learning the 4 different architectures available in API. Number one, SOAP, which is from Microsoft from 1998. REST came in the time period of 2000 from ServiceNow. GraphQL originated from Facebook and become open source in 2015, and Google's RPC came in 2016. So let's talk about them in detail. SOAP basically used for mostly for a .NET architectures in large from 1998, where you had an option to have in the format of XML, and where you have predominantly 2 different methods, get and post. And one of the largest reason why SOAP did not become so popular in the recent days is because of higher payload and it doesn't have cache. Whereas in the RESTful automation, where you have an opportunity to do them in XML or JSON or a text or a HTML formats, which gave an opportunity to integrate with any system. Also, it gives a variety of methods and verbs, the get and the post and the delete and the put and patch, gave a lot of option for you to integrate with them. And predominantly, it came with a lower payload, also it is stateless and cache. However, when we started transacting with a lot of data in the future, one of the limitation of RESTful services becomes the overfetching and underfetching, which is solved by GraphQL. The Facebook found this solution in 2015, and which predominantly support only JSON, and it is asynchronous, not like RESTful, where it supports the HTTP, the messaging and queuing services. It only sends the data that is required, not many, and it doesn't retrieve the data which is not wanted either. Whereas gRPC is completely different architecture by itself, predominantly built for server communication from 2016, and it works by a strong contract using Proto, and it is absolutely asynchronous as well. But this is built for high scalable solution for like Netflix uses a lot of them, and it is a server to server communication. With that said, that covers the 4 different architecture, and today's world predominantly RESTful API is used to still, whereas also GraphQL is becoming very popular, whereas server to server communication with gRPC. Welcome to Testleaf for the RESTful API automation from scratch along with the GraphQL. Thank you.